Today we are going to discuss about small program that is inline function. So first, normally if you want to write in a C++ program, normally we are going to write three header files. Those three header files are hash include iostream.h, hash include iomanip.h, hash include coinio.h. Why we need iostream.h? If we want to write cout and cin functions in our program, we must write the header file hash include iostream.h. Next, second one, why we need iomanip.h? If we want to write any manipulator that is inline and setwo, we must write the header file hash include iomanip.h. Why we need third one, coinio.h? If you want to write clear screen and get ch in your program, you must write the header file that is hash include coinio.h. Now next we are going to write the class. What is meant by a class? Class is a user defined data type. Here class name is assign. A class does contain maximum 3 access specifiers. So those are private, public, and the third one is protected. Here we use 2 access specifier. Those 2 access specifier are private and public. In the private we declared some data that is n that accept only integers, and here we use one constructor that is called as a parameterized. Constructor name is same as the class name. Here class name is assign, constructor name is also assign. Clear? Next, here we are passing argument. What is the argument name? Double n, or you can take b or x or some other thing. Clear? Next one is, here we are initializing that n equal to double n. We are assigning that to here. Next we use one function that is called as a cube. So the program name is to find a cube of number by using the inline function. Now the inline functions are defined before the main functions. How to write inline function? The inline function should start with the keyword inline. The inline function should start with the keyword inline, and then return type specifier. Next class name is assign, and function name is cube. How to find cube of a number? What is the formula? N into n into n. This is the formula to calculate the cube of a number. The program starts working at the main function. So here the program starts working at here. Here we use one variable that is n. It can accept only the integer. And clear screen. What is the function of clear screen? To clear the previous output. So next we use the function name that is called as a cout. So what is the function of cout? To display on the monitor. For example, if this is your monitor, to display on it we will use clear screen. What will be display? The string. What is meant by a string? Collection of characters enclosed by double quotes. What is the string here? Enter the number. So that will appear on the monitor. Enter the number. So this will be appear on the monitor. Next, cin. So what is the function of cin? To accept data from the user. So that is the function of the cin. Here it accept the data from the user. Next, here we are going to create the object. How to create an object? Class name, object name. What is the name of the class? Assign. Assign is a class name. What is the object name? Capital N. So capital N is called as object name equal to n. We are initializing some value to this. Clear? Next, here is cout to display on the monitor cube of n. So for example, if I enter 2 n dot cube. So 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. The cube of 2 is 8. It will display 8. Get ch to hold the screen for long time. So here what are the concept we used here is, so this is the inline function. So inline functions we defined before the main function, and also this is the example for the outside class definition. So what is outside class definition? The functions are defined outside the class. So here this symbol is called as a scope resolution operator. What is the significance of scope resolution operator? To define the member function outside the class. So even this is the example, and even we discussed about what is mean by a class and example for the class. What is mean by a class and this is the example for the class. And the next concept we discussed here is so we discussed about the concept name here is, so how to initialize values to the objects. So here we use one constructor. What is the name of the constructor? So parameterized constructor. So here the constructor is assign. So assign is the constructor. And here see, when we have three methods in the parameterized constructor. So what are the three methods? Implicit, explicit and initialization. When we will use initialization method, if you want to assign only one value to the object, we will use initialization method. Here we will use the initialized method. This is called as a parameterized constructor. Here constructor name is assign, class name is assign. So this is about the small program that is called as to find the cube of a number by using inline function. This is about today's class.